Hello my twinkling joyful friends, today I'm drawing Bluey and Bingo having a pretend wedding party. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a magical and funny story. But before the story begins, can you tap the like button with a happy smile, so Bluey and Bingo can dance even brighter. The sun shines gently over the garden, the air smells like flowers and cake. Bluey twirls in her little white dress, Bingo wears a shiny pink bow. Welcome to our wedding party, says Bluey, everyone is invited to play. Bingo jumps with excitement, I can't wait for the cake. Dad sets up chairs in the backyard, he hums a wedding tune softly. Grandma brings a pretend bouquet, and Mum prepares the pretend tea. This is the fanciest wedding ever, says Dad, his eyes sparkle with pride. Can you clap your hands 3 times, just like a guest at their big party? Bluey stands tall and smiles. Today, I'm the bride, she says proudly. Bingo giggles and adds, and I'm the flower girl. Grandma nods happily, every wedding needs flowers, she says. Bingo scatters petals all around, the garden turns pink and bright. Ta-da, she shouts, spinning in joy. Dad plays music from his phone, the melody floats like butterflies. Mum waves her hands gently, the bride is walking in, she says. Bluey walks slowly down the pretend aisle, her tail wagging with joy. Do-do-do, hums Bingo, it's the wedding march. Can you hum along too? Let's walk like Bluey step by step. When Bluey reaches the middle, Dad stands beside her with a grin. And now, he says, the ceremony begins. Grandma holds a pretend ring high. Who will Bluey marry today? She asks. Bluey giggles loudly, I'm marrying my favorite toy. Bingo claps and cheers, yay! The bride and her toy forever. Everyone laughs and claps, the party feels full of love. Dad bows and says, you may now dance with your toy. Bluey holds it close and twirls, her dress sparkles under the sun. Bingo jumps and joins in too, let's all dance, she shouts. Can you twirl around once, like Bluey and Bingo dancing together? The music grows faster and happier, Dad spins Grandma around in circles. Mum claps along with the rhythm, the laughter fills the garden. Best wedding ever, says Bingo, even better than TV. Bluey smiles wide, because it's our family wedding, she says proudly. Grandma laughs gently, that's the sweetest kind. After dancing, Mum brings a pretend cake, it's made of sponge and toy candles. Make a wish, bride Bluey, she says, and blow the candles out. Bluey closes her eyes tight, I wish for more fun days, she whispers. Bingo leans close and adds, and more cake forever. Can you take a big breath in, and blow out the pretend candles with them? Dad slices the pretend cake carefully. Who wants the first piece? He asks. Me, shouts Bingo, raising both paws. Bluey giggles and says, everyone gets one. They pretend to eat together, their laughter bouncing through the air. Grandma pretends to sip tea, delightful cake, she says sweetly. As the sky turns orange and soft, the wedding comes to an end. Thank you for coming, says Bluey, you made it special. Bingo hugs her sister tight, best party ever, she says. Dad lifts them both up gently, my little party planners, he says proudly. Mum smiles and joins the hug, this is the most beautiful pretend wedding ever, she says. So whenever you play pretend, remember how joy can fill your heart. Because love and laughter together, make every day a celebration that never ends.